Every summer across the fertile valleys of California and other peach-growing regions of the United States orchards come alive with one of the country's most beloved fruits, the peach. California alone produces over 80% of America's peaches, nearly 1 billion pounds each year. With its warm climate, long growing season, and advanced farming techniques, the state has become the beating heart of peach production, not only for the U.S., but also for international markets. Other states like South Carolina, Pennsylvania, and Colorado add their own regional varieties, contributing to the diversity of flavors. But behind every bite of a sweet golden peach is a journey filled with science, tradition, and technology. From the careful pruning of trees in winter, to hand-harvesting delicate fruit in summer, to the bustling factories where peaches are washed, graded, cooled, and even canned for year-round enjoyment. Each step reveals the dedication of farmers and the innovation of modern agriculture. Today we'll follow the peach from orchard to factory, uncovering the cycle of planting, caring, harvesting, and processing that delivers this symbol of summer to tables all around the world. The life of a peach tree begins long before the fruit appears. In California's orchards, farmers prepare the land by plowing deeply, clearing weeds, and enriching the soil with compost or organic matter. Peaches thrive best in sandy loam soil with good drainage, and the pH is carefully adjusted between 6.0 and 7.0 to give young trees the perfect foundation. New trees are often grown from seed or cuttings. Seeds require a cold stratification period, several weeks kept in a chilled, moist environment to break dormancy before planting. Once germinated seedlings are transplanted into pots or directly into orchards. Farmers dig holes nearly 1/2 meter deep and wide, filling them with nutrient-rich soil to support root growth. Trees are planted about 3 to 5 meters apart, ensuring enough sunlight and airflow for each to flourish. Watering is crucial in the early stages. Drip irrigation systems are widely used in California, delivering water directly to the base of each tree, conserving resources while preventing disease from excess moisture. Fertilizers rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium strengthen trunks and branches, while phosphorus-heavy blends encourage healthy blossoms later in the season. As the trees grow, pruning becomes essential. Beginning in the first year, weak or crowded branches are removed to form an open canopy, allowing sunlight and air to circulate freely. This practice reduces disease risk and ensures the tree channels its energy into strong, productive branches. Late winter or early spring is the best time for pruning, giving the tree time to heal before the growing season begins. When spring arrives, orchards are painted pink with peach blossoms. Pollinators, especially bees, play a key role in setting fruit. Farmers avoid harmful pesticides during this stage, protecting the pollinators that ensure the next harvest. With proper nutrition and water, The blossoms transform into small green fruits, which slowly ripen under the summer sun into the soft golden peaches we know and love. By mid to late summer, California's orchards are heavy with ripening peaches. Timing the harvest is everything. If picked too early, the fruit is hard and lacks sweetness. Too late and it becomes mushy or bruises easily during handling. Farmers and seasonal workers usually harvest early in the morning when temperatures are cooler. With careful hands, they twist each peach gently from its stem, placing it into fabric bags or bins strapped to their bodies. Each picker may gather thousands of peaches in a single day, but speed is never more important than care. Even the slightest bruise can shorten shelf life. Because peaches are so delicate, large machines are rarely used for direct harvesting. Instead, technology helps in other ways. Some farms use conveyor-assisted systems. Workers place fruit onto padded belts that transport them safely into collection crates. This reduces strain on workers and minimizes damage to the peaches. Harvesting often happens in multiple rounds as not all fruit ripens at the same time. This ensures only peaches at peak maturity are picked, giving consumers the perfect balance of juiciness, aroma, and flavor. Once gathered, the fruit is quickly transported to nearby packing sheds or processing facilities where its journey continues. Once the peaches leave the orchards, they are rushed to processing facilities to preserve their delicate quality. The first step is rapid cooling. Using hydro-cooling systems, crates of peaches are showered with cold water to quickly remove field heat. This slows ripening, prevents over-ripening during transport, and locks in freshness. After cooling, the peaches are moved into cold storage chambers where their temperature is stabilized. From there, they enter the processing line. Conveyor belts carry the fruit through a washing system that removes fuzz dust and pesticide residues. Some facilities apply a thin layer of food-grade wax, not for shine alone, but to protect the skin and extend shelf life. Next is sorting and grading. Workers and optical scanners assess each peach for size, ripeness, and appearance. Premium fruit with perfect texture and color is set aside for fresh markets. Others, still sweet but slightly less uniform, are redirected for canning or juicing. This ensures no part of the harvest goes to waste. For canning, peaches are washed once more, then fed into cutting and pitting machines. High-speed blades slice each fruit cleanly in half, while specialized mechanisms remove the pit. The halves are blanched briefly in hot water to loosen skins and improve texture. Workers perform a final inspection, discarding any pieces that don't meet strict standards. The approved peach halves or slices are then arranged in cans. Depending on the product, they may be immersed in light syrup, natural juice, or a mild brine solution. Once filled, cans are sealed with precision machinery and moved into sterilization chambers, large steam retorts where heat kills bacteria and guarantees food safety. After sterilization, the cans are cooled rapidly to preserve flavor and firmness. Each can is tested for airtight seals, labeled with details such as origin and packaging date, and grouped into batches for shipping. Stored in refrigerated warehouses or shipped in climate-controlled trucks, canned peaches reach global markets ready to provide the sweet taste of summer year-round. This combination of human care and modern technology ensures that every peach, whether eaten fresh or from a can, delivers the same consistent quality. As summer fades and the last peaches are shipped from orchards and factories, farmers prepare for the next cycle. Trees are pruned in winter-old branches, removed to let sunlight reach deep into the canopy when spring arrives. Soil is replenished with compost, irrigation lines are checked, and orchards are made ready for a new season of growth. When blossoms return in early spring, orchards burst into pink again, signaling the promise of another harvest. With months of patient care, watering, fertilizing, pruning, and protecting from pests, the fruit slowly develops until it's ready to begin the journey once more. From careful planting to delicate hand-picking, from cooling and grading to the precision of canning lines, the peach's story is one of dedication, innovation, and renewal. It's a reminder that behind every bite, whether fresh or from a jar, stands the hard work of farmers and the marvels of modern agriculture. Year after year, harvest after harvest, the cycle continues, ensuring that the sweet taste of peaches will always return with the season.